Welcome back today. I'm back today with another beat. It's me, Beto G. Today, I'm going to be making Empire State Trap beat. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified. I'm going to be making Empire State Trap beat today. Don't forget to subscribe. My tempo is usually 130 BPM, but you can increase it or reduce it. That's my favorite tempo to create trap beat. Make sure you just press the subscribe button on your screen. Turn on your notification bell below so that immediately I drop new videos, you will just immediately get notified. Now, I'm going to launch my FL Studio properly. I'm just going to put my cursor here on top of my FL Studio app on my screen, on my laptop, and just right click and just press open. Now, it's loading. I have opened my FL Studio. As you can see, this is my channel rack, this is my playlist, this is my mixer, and this is art. This is art here on my screen. I'm going to click on art here. I'm going to pick a good plugin, and inside the plugin, I'm going to pick a good preset. Today, I'm going to be picking this plugin called Harmless. If you want to pick your plugin, make sure you click on art on your screen. Immediately open your FL Studio, and this is Harmless. Just click on Harmless. Click here. Left click on your mouse and hold the left click button on your mouse and switch it up. Turn the mouse wheels up to channel 5. As you can see, I've already routed it to channel 5 on my mixer this year on channel 5. If I'm about to mix it, we'll add some plugin on it like slot 1, slot 2. I'm just going to add it on channel 5. Now, I'm going to click on Harmless. Click on this icon. Click on presets. As you can see, these are my presets on my screen. The Wave FG, the typical E-Bars 1 FG, the typical E-Bars 2 Gold. These are plugins, name and word title. Now, I'm just going to pick the one that sounds very good, and that is the most important thing. When creating beat, make sure you pick good sounds. These are sounds, you can still call it presets. Now, I'm going to pick this one called 70 Poly. Then, I'm going to click it. As you can see, I'm going to use this 70 Poly to create Empire State Trap beat. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Now I'm going to right click, I'm going to left click, I hold the left click button, I'm pointing to the left, and press Ctrl B to bars number 8. Now I'm going to program my bass melodies. I'm going to add a Fruity Parametric EQ2. On the first melody, I'm going to turn down the slot 2 to mix level 1. Then on that very slot 2, I'm going to add a photo delay 2. On slot 3, on my first melody, on my mixer, I'm going to turn down the mix level to level 1 again and add the sound organizer. I'm going to click on add again and pick F5 keys. I'm going to click on it on my channel rack, left click and hold the left click button and turn the mouse wheels to channel 6. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Then on my second melody, I'm going to add a full parametric EQ2. On the second melody, I'm going to turn down the slot. I'm going to turn down the slot 2 and add the sound organizer. I'll start programming my hi-hats now. I'll just right click on my hi-hat and press piano roll. Then I'm going to add the sound organizer. On my snare, I'm going to right click and press piano roll. I'm going to turn it up on my mixer and add the sound organizer. I'll start programming my kick now by left click and hold it and just drag it into my channel rack on channel 1. Then I will right click and press piano roll. I'm programming my kick now. I finished programming my kick. I'm going to click here and click this icon and boost it from the boost knob up to this 95%. As you can see, I've already programmed everything. Now, where they are written pattern 1, I'm just going to right click and come here and place split by channel. As you can see, I've already programmed everything. On the left corner on my FL Studio, this everything I've already programmed, and this is my playlist. I'll start arranging it. Make sure I copy it and create the space on outro and intro. Now I'm just going to switch it to song mode, click on my kick and place it on my playlist. Place it on my playlist, click on my hi-hat and place it to my playlist. Click on my snare and just drop it into my playlist. My first melody and drop it on my playlist. Last melody and drop my playlist. Now I'm going to left click on it, right to left, and press Ctrl and B to copy it. I'm arranging my beat now. Then I'm going to add an automation by right clicking and create automation. On the second melody, I'll just right click on it and create automation clip. Then here, where my cursor is on the screen, I want to just click on it. On every instrument, to swap left and right, like this. Then if I click here, I'm going to reverse the polarities by clicking here on this icon here. Thank you for watching. Let's listen to the Empire State Trap beat from the start to the end. Let's go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time in a different video. Thank you so much.